one is Jennifer, and I have a couple of mystery boxes that I'm going to show you. They are from We Crochet Knit Picks, and yeah, they're just like the ones that Bag O' Day got, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. So the first one I've got is Sparkles the Unicorn, and this is the wool mystery bag. So first we obviously have our tote bag, which is great. It is a heavy canvas and it has the handle, and it does have a button closure, a snap closure, and we have our pen. It says Yay Crochet. Really like that. And then in here, I'm going to have to read some of the deets to you. We've got some yarns. So I want to make sure I get all of the same type out. That's one of the Andes too. Okay. So I have 3 Wool of the Andes. There's 3 Wool of the Andes right there. They're all worsted weight. And the details on these, they're 100%, well, make sure, yeah. They are all 100% superwash wool, machine wash, tumble dry on low. It calls for a 4.5 to 5 millimeter knitting needle, an I through a K crochet hook, and the colors are, this is Fairy Tale. That's beautiful. This one is Rouge, and this one is Merlot Heather. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. And then the next 2 I got are Swish. They are super soft, and these are worsted weight, and the colors I got are green tea and conch. They go real good together. Oh, I didn't tell you the yardage. I'm sorry. These are 110 yards a piece, and I think the 3 of these go really good together. That's my opinion. These are 100% superwash wool, 4.5 to 5 knitting needle, or an I to a K crochet hook. These are also 110 yards, and this is the Swish worsted weight. So I really like these. Very pretty. And then last but certainly not least is this greens. This is Muse, and it's in Aran weight, which is also worsted weight. The color name is called Inspired. It's 114 yards. Right there, you can see. It's 100% superwash merino. It is a roving, so it goes thick to thin. And it calls for a 4 to a 4.5 knitting needle, or an I through a K crochet hook. It is also machine wash and tumble dry low. So that is beautiful. And this one, I can pull the handle out now that the yarn's gone. This is a great tote bag. I love this tote bag. It is a nice heavy canvas. The bag's not heavy, just the it's nice heavyweight canvas. So the bag and all the yarn was $39.99. I think that was a good deal. So we got 1. These are all superwash merino. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the pen, and the tote bag. So I thought that was pretty good. And it is a good sized tote bag. It's not small. It'll hold a whole lot more yarn than is what's in it. So that's one. And the other one come like this in box, which is really cute. We're crocheters just like you. How cute is that box? That box is cute. So this is the acrylic and acrylic blends box. And it comes with the kitty pile tote bag. So, right here on top, we have the Upcycle Alpaca Blend. Right here on top. And yes, it is a sport weight. It is super, super soft. The color I have is truffle and pear, which go together really well. And there is 273 yards per ball. It is the 2-weight. It is 33% alpaca, 34% wool, and 33% acrylic. It calls for a number 3 to a number 5 knitting needle, a size E to a size 7 crochet hook, which is fine. These are limited editions, and they are so soft. That's not a bad yardage. There's the colors. There you go. That's gorgeous. I like those. And then next, we'll go ahead and do the hank, because the hank's right here. This one is called Heatherly. It's a sport weight. The color name is Teddy Bear, and it's 328 yards. And it calls for a 5.5 knitting needle, or an F crochet hook. Guessing that's what that says. It's 80% acrylic and 20% merino wool. It says hand wash, dry flat, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Very pretty. I love that. And it is like a cloud. It is super soft. Oh, it's right here. It also comes with its pin. Yay, crochet. And next we've got 2 of the Bravas, and these are in sport weight. Okay. I don't know why they're shaped this way. It's kind of weird. These are 100% premium acrylics, machine wash, tumble dry. They're both 340 yards or 100 grams. Let's see. This one is color name is Sky, and this is Alfalfa. I love the bright green. I really love that bright green. So that's cool. Yeah, machine wash, tumble dry low. 3 to a 5, number 3 to a 5 knitting needle, or an E crochet hook. Not bad. They are really, really soft. I like the Brava. Brava is really great. And then there are 3 more Bravas, and they are in... Oh, I got one more Brava sport weight right here. And the color of this one is Dove Heather. So those 3 actually would go pretty good together. The gray, the blue, and the green. I like that. So I have 2 in worsted weight. 2 of them in worsted weight. The worsted weight comes with 218 yards of a worsted weight. They call for number 7 to a number 8 knitting needle. And I threw a K crochet hook, and they are a number 4. This one is called Stonework, and you can see the colors in there in that stonework. And this one is called Salt and Pepper Speckle, and it is speckled. So that's cool. And then the bag, we're going to get rid of the box. There we go. I love this bag. It has the handle. But look at the kitty pile. We love the kitty pile. And it does have its pocket. And of course it's a magnetic snap actually. So that is just plain awesome. And it is nice. It is a nice bottom on the bag. And it's pretty cool. I love this bag. And it will hold all of this yarn. So this is a good sized bag right here. So I'm actually going to stick all of this yarn in here. This is nice. This Brava is really, really a nice soft yarn. It'd be good to catch it on sale. I really like the Brava. That's something I would look into at We Crochet Knit Picks. We Crochet Knit Picks are the same. They're basically the same company, just different names. Look at that. There we go. It all fits in the bag. So, I hope you enjoyed that. And check it out. I don't know if they have any more of the mystery bags or not. They're pretty cool. They're nice. I think they're well worth $39.99. And if you buy 2 of them, you get free shipping. So, check them out. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.